access control in Protomatrix. The reason access control in Protomatrix exists is to ensure that only the right people have access to specific projects and its task. Also, to help prevent accidental delegation to unauthorized users. And then lastly, to give you granular control of per project admin privileges. Let me show you how to put this into practice. Here I have my Protomatrix open. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project, and I'm going to call it HR project. Imagine if you have an HR project where you have a lot of different tasks and they are confidential. So what do? I'm going to go ahead and create a project here. Once I created this project, I can simply right-click on it and choose Restrict Project. As you can see, I get a confirmation that this project is restricted, and I get this little lock icon on the left-hand side as well as on the right-hand side. What restricted project means is that I cannot delegate to somebody who's not a member of this project. And the reason this exists is to make sure that if you have multiple people involved in a project, they don't accidentally leak that information to somebody else. And I'll show you how that works. So let's just say I have an HR task here, and that's confidential. And as you can see, once I have this task, I can select this task and I can go ahead and try to delegate to somebody else. And when I click on this icon here, you see how I cannot choose someone who is not an existing user inside this project. And so this is a way to ensure that you as the admin get to control who's in this project and therefore who can be delegated to. Now let's just say if I do need to bring somebody else in, I simply go back to my project details here, click on the plus. Now I can invite a member, and the system will tell you that this is a restricted project, and if you invite them, that they will get access to the project as well as its items. I'll go ahead and say yes, and now when I go back to the same task, I can finally delegate it to another person. So again, this gives you very granular control. There's no accident delegation. This is perfect for HR projects. It's perfect for management projects, as well as your personal tasks, just in case you accidentally leak that information to somebody else. And then if you need to go and change who is an owner or admin in a project, simply go back to the project details and then select the person here. Then you can go ahead, now go back to project here. Then I can do select the members, click on edit admins, and then I can promote other people of this project to become admins as well. So in that case, they also will gain control of the project and be able to delegate to external people. Now let's just say you want to delegate a task to somebody external temporarily. The way you can do that is you can go ahead and unrestrict the project, delegate it to the external person, then restrict the project again. Now that person will get access to the task inside their inbox, but they will not get to see the rest of the task inside this project, and they can also would not be able to delegate that task to other people. And that's how restricted projects work.